Welcome, beautiful soul. You've entered a sacred space, a space for softness, for surrender, and for trust. Here, you don't have to find anything to fix. You don't have to protect yourself. You only need to be present. Let your body begin to unwind. Drop your shoulders and clench your jaw. Soften your belly. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale peace and exhale tension. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive fully. This is your time, your healing, your return to trust. Let's begin by deepening the breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise. Exhale softly through your mouth, letting go of the day. Again, breathe in. Feel your ribcage expand gently. Exhale. Feel your body drop just a little closer to the earth. One more deep breath in and out. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Invite them to soften. Let them fall away from your ears. Feel your chest, your heart space open, even just a little. There's no rush, no need to force. Imagine now that you're standing beside a quiet river, calm, glassy, reflecting the sky above. This is your emotional landscape, wide, deep, and sacred. This surface is still, but beneath it, your truth flows freely. With every breath, you step closer to this river, closer to your inner self. You are safe here. You are welcome here. You belong to this moment. You're now standing at the edge of your river, the quiet place within you where all your emotions are welcome. Take a moment to see your reflection in the water. Look into your own eyes. What do you see? Now imagine that another version of you is walking slowly towards you. The one who's been holding the fear, the sadness, the confusion. This version of you may be tired, overwhelmed, guarded. Let her come close. You don't need to fix her. Just see her. Let her hold out what she's been carrying. The fear of being abandoned, misunderstood, forgotten. The sadness that no one noticed. Your pain. The anxious thoughts that never seem to stop. Let those feelings rise now, not to control you, but to be witnessed. Breathe gently as they surface. You're strong enough to hold this. Now softly say to her, the one still holding the pain, you are safe now. You're safe now. Say it again, even more with love. You are safe now. You are safe now. Let her breathe. Let her soften. Let her know she doesn't have to carry it alone anymore. Now imagine the version of you still holding the pain, slowly opening her hands. See her gently placing the fear, the sadness, the confusion into the river. And watch it leave her fingertips like mist, like petals, like pieces of shadow melting into the light. The water receives all without judgment. It knows how to carry what you no longer need to hold. Feel the emotional dissolve, soften, and flow away. Let it drift into the current, downstream, back to the source, transformed by love. Now bring your hands to your heart, physically or in your mind. There is a choice waiting for you here, not to go back to, but to trust forward, to open again, to feel again, to live from the heart, not from protection. Whisper to yourself like a promise. I no longer need to protect myself from life. I trust myself to live it. Say it again, slower, deeper. I trust myself to live it. Let that truth ripple through every part of you like sunlight across water. I no longer need protecting myself from life. I trust myself to live it. Now see a soft golden light begin to rise from the water, gentle at first, like the first rays of sunrise. This is your inner strength returning, your wisdom, your emotional power. It rises from the depths because you were brave enough to feel. Watch this golden light slowly float towards you and enter your chest, your heart, your entire being. Feel it spread, warm, steady, expansive. This light is not outside of you. It's who you've been all along. You are the Empress. You are strength. You are a sovereign in your emotional world. There's calmness in you now, a confidence that does not need to shout, a love that leads, a fire that heals. Breathe it in deeply. Feel it anchor in your belly, your heart, your voice. You are no longer ruled by fear. You are led by trust. You don't have to hold it all alone, but you can hold yourself with grace, with power, with love. Now let your body be still and your heart open. You've released what was never yours to carry and returned to your own emotional power. Let these affirmations wash over you like waves, each one softening you, straightening you, anchoring you. I trust my emotions to guide, not drown me. I am safe to feel. I am safe to receive. I lead with love. I stand in grace. My heart is my compass. Let these words take root. Let them live inside of you. This is your truth now. Let it rise gently and lead you forward. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the weight of your hips, your spine, your feet connecting with the earth beneath you. Take one final deep breath in